Hello there. So my name is Santi Blakey, and I'm a life coach, and I'm specifically going to be talking to you about self-care today. So my company, just a little bit, is called Soul Growth Wellness, and ultimately it's about one thing in particular, which is helping people live their best lives, and doing it in a way that is efficient, happy, and positive, obviously. Now, in reference to self care, and particularly in the age of COVID, a lot of things have changed for people. The limitations that we have on our lives, having to wear masks, watching where we go, who we're around, have created a lot of difficulties in terms of how to get the things that you need to emotionally meet your needs. And because of that, this workshop is something that's going to talk about that. But before we get into all about what's going to happen in this workshop, I want to mention something very personal about self care. Self care is something that ultimately saved my life. I had issues with depression and anxiety, and as a result of that, I felt helpless. I didn't really know where to move forward, how to move forward, and I was just in a constant funk and I wasn't doing anything. My feeling helpless turned into me actually being helpless. I wasn't able to do anything. And one of the things that kind of just came out of, doing a lot of work on myself and, reading as many things as I could about it was taking care of yourself. Like that's the first step is taking care of yourself. For me, that actually meant like changing my eating habits and changing my exercise habits. Before, I would just sit around, I would eat a whole lot, and of the things that I would eat a whole lot of, it was not very good food. So, as a result of that, the hopelessness remained, the not ability to be able to feel myself, to not really feel like I was growing or changing in any way, all coincided into me not feeling good about me because I wasn't being good to me. And that's what self care is all about, being good to yourself so that you feel good about yourself. When you feel good about yourself, you're able to actually cope better with life. You're able to think and have the creative solutions to the many problems and challenges that we face, and particularly in the age of COVID and this global pandemic that we're dealing with. So, one of the things that I like to focus on in this workshop is about helping people recognize what they need to get rid of in their lives that's causing them additional stress and the things that they need to put in their life that's going to make them feel restored, happy, rejuvenated, and prepared and ready to go forward in life because that's what you ultimately want. Things are going to be difficult, challenges are always going to come. Life is absolutely hills and valleys. But when we have those moments when things are tough, we want to be able to be resilient and move through them in a way that actually helps us grow and move forward in a way that makes sense for us. So that's what the self care workshop is going to be about. And I really hope that you go ahead and attend it because ultimately, the practical solution here to self care is that it's going to make you feel better and it's going to help you cope better with the things that are happening in your life right now. In addition to that, on an ambitious level, self care is going to help you feel your power and recognize that you can do things to change the course of your life in a way that's positive and meaningful and fulfilling. So I'd like you to go ahead and register for this workshop, and we will see you in the workshop room. I can't wait to see you all. I can't wait to work with you all, and I can't wait to talk with you all and find out what things you want and what things you need in your life and helping you all figure out a way to go and get it. So thank you. And again, my name is Santi Blakey and my company is Soul Growth Wellness. Bye.